This ultralight kayak is the world's first and only inflatable kayak made entirely with drop stitch technology. It can be inflated to a much higher pressure than other kayaks, which increases overall rigidity. The unique construction makes it as fast as any rigid kayak in its class. It's very good at holding a straight line when paddling on one side, yet is easy to maneuver. It's amazing how it glides quickly and effortlessly through the water. It weighs just 38 pounds and can be folded up into a very nice backpack for traveling. Go to this web address for more details, customer reviews, and price.